Hi and welcome to quite an important video for us because this is the launch of our 50th 3D printed kit, and it's a venture into a new scale and gauge. So we've been asked for a long while to have a look at doing O-16.5, which is O gauge on double O gauge track, narrow gauge effectively. So we've done this nice little diesel shunter. What we're trying to do here as well is to keep it in proportion. Quite a lot of the conversions you see from double O kits, you have a very, very small bonnet and a ridiculously big cab. So what we've done here is a wider, taller bonnet. So this hopefully is a really nice in proportion little diesel shunter for your O-16.5. Very pleased with the handrails, very nicely picked out, the detail. Nice rounded, smooth bonnet and roof with it being plinted vertically so that the ridge lines are not as obvious, and it's going to make up into a really nice little kit. If we get a good response, we'll look at doing perhaps a steam loco, and obviously we will do some rolling stock at some point to fit the slightly longer Hornby chassis rather than the usual short one we use. But we're quite excited about this. It's a really cute, great looking little model. We've sold a couple already, so we hope to get a good response to it. All the details are on our Budget Model Railways website as always. So if this is your thing, or you think it might be your sort of thing, then take a look at the details. And as I say, it's our 50th model, so we're quite excited about this. Thanks for watching. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series. Click on the right for another video you might enjoy. And please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.